Time for a good old-fashioned steakhouse potato. You just pair that with anything and it's good. Go. So today we're cooking some other stuff, but we're gonna do what can be the actual star of any plate. Good old-fashioned steakhouse baked potato. The kind you got this, the nice melted butter, and you got the sour cream, chives. We're going to use green onions. Little bacon bits on top, cheese. Oh hell yeah! And it's all encrusted in that nice. I'm using kosher salt or kosher salt, or sea salt. I'm not sure which one I have. Either one. I'm going to use either one. But it's going to have that nice little crispy crust. I'm going to smoke it in the smoker. It's going to have a nice freaking tough skin. Not tough skin. Whatever I'm trying to say. Good skin? gonna have skin with good complexion. Okay. Anyway, so let's get started. Okay, here I got 2 potatoes, just me and my son today. My wife's at her mom's. See if I can juggle. Can I juggle? Yeah, that's not really juggling. Okay, anyway. I'm going to take these in the kitchen. I'm going to wash them. I'm going to poke holes in them. You're going to watch me do it. It's going to be so much fun. I'm going to go like this. Let's do this. Alright, here we go. The other sink is all the dishes I've been using today. And my wife's going to come home and say, what the hell? She's going to say, just got a surgery. What are you doing? But a man's got to cook. You do this just because you don't want them to explode while they're cooking. Just gonna put them in the top rack, set them up, try not to burn myself. Yeah, we're gonna let this go 45 minutes, and I'm gonna start checking to see. Because at the time after they're ready, or when they get to the point where they're kind of soft but not done, I pull them out. That's when I put the oil on them and the salt. Okay, we need probably another 10 minutes before I pull them and do the other stuff to them. So, wait, I'm gonna do a voiceover afterwards. But all right, we are going to oil our potatoes. Still one at a time.
It's ripped right on the top.
Oh, Crystal, as she was walking, now it goes. Okay, there they are. Nice and salted. Get them in there. About 15-20 minutes. And we'll pull those out. Okay, so these are ready. I'm going to grab one. And let's start fixing it up. Okay, so we're going to start off with our butter. Get our sour cream. Oh, forgot a spoon. Oh, look at that. Get our green onions. Put them on, they all fall out. Oh, even bacon bits. I got a camera on it.
Some cake later and then clean it and then.
And I just added for garnish. I just added some parsley. Look at that. Stuffed potatoes. No, baked potato. Baked potato. Baked potato. Anyway,